Here is a new project of Larte Design Studio, Mercedes Benz GLS 63, new and powerful SUV. The car received the appearance of standard GLS, but accordingly to their owners, that 63rd version visually does not correspond to the amount of the horsepower under the hood. Communicating with the owners and the dealerships, we have repeatedly heard, not brutal, powerful, the appearance does not match the price. After hearing so many feedback, our designer team developed a new design that met the expectation of this powerful SUV. For this GLS 63, we have made a combo kit where carbon fiber is combined with the basalt, painted in a body color. For such an imposing SUV, the air intakes must be the right size. In the stock version, this part of vehicle actually hides the power of the car. The idea for this insert was taken from the sporty Mercedes GT 63. So basically, this part is installed instead of original one in a standard mountings. And now pay your attention how this beautiful insert perfectly and organically blended into the image of the car. Our splitter is a dynamic and sporty enough, and please pay your attention for a very important moment that this part of the vehicle doesn't steal the clearance of the car. The standard hood does not evoke any emotions. Accordingly to their owners and our designer's opinion, this part should be more dynamic. And of course, we understand not everyone is ready to replace such an impressive part of the vehicle. But now, let's dispel your doubts and compare Larte Design version and stock version of this car. Our designers drew the inspiration from the sea, and they had to break in the waves, become an artist muse during the creative process. The image of the car turned out to be a swift, powerful, cutting through the oncoming air currents. The hood is durable and light enough and made from 100% of carbon fiber. Note the perfect clearance as well. Now when we move to the front of this car, we can see that our designers left the original shape of radiator grille, but also covered with a carbon fiber. There is an option for you. You can install the Larte Design brand logo, or you can leave a Mercedes star at your request. The classic element of the tuning kit is a mirror cups, which are made of carbon fiber and connect the image to the sides of the car. The widening of the arches is a very characteristic feature of a lot of tuning kits, especially the widebody style. The car becomes wider and visually more powerful. The decision we took from the previous successful kits, having received many compliments from our customers. The arches themselves are made of basalt and painted in a body color, and the inserts are made of carbon. Please pay your attention to the geometry of the lines. The arches became noticeably wider in height. The car got what it wanted, a character of white body. Also, see how the small seal trims can add the desired accents and complete the arch extensions. Let us remind you that you can be a designer of your own car and choose options at your taste. It can be carbon, it can be basalt painted in any color of the car. Also, it can be gloss black. Once the choice is done, we will make your dream come true. Now we got to the stern of the car. First of all, we have rethought the appearance of the rear bumper, because accordingly to the owners and the fans of GLS 63, that the back part it looks a little bit more shy than the front one. That's why we designed a dynamic rear diffuser. And of course, we didn't forget about the brake lights, which gives a sporty look to the vehicle. The idea of our designer finally has been brought to life. A spoiler with the two aerodynamic channels instantly transfers a rear view of the vehicle. All the line of the kit are taken from the car itself. That's why it looks so laconic. The tailpipes remain original, black chrome from GLS 63. Why to change what is already good enough? The unique 23 inches rims, incredible expensive graphite color, are perfectly combined with the carbon parts of the vehicle. But for those who like more extreme look, we do have a 24 inches rims. Now, when you look at the project, you can see how the car corresponds to the appearance of an expensive crossover. When you're buying a car, you can be satisfied not only with the technical characteristics, but also with unconditional appearance. We give you an opportunity to be a designer of your own car, but also we are always there to help and assist you with the choice that you can be sure of the result. Also, let me remind you that all our kits are certified by the Custom Union and we give 2 years warranty. Subscribe to our YouTube and Instagram channels. Stay tuned for Larte Design news and send us your comments and feedback. We'll definitely consider your wishes and your opinion is very important to us. Thank you very much. With the best wishes, Larte Design team.